What's up? How's it going? 0 people? Damn. I understand. What's up, guys? Or nobody. My bad, guys. Tried to do it yesterday. I usually do crypto kickbacks on Wednesday. But you know how it is. The internet was going crazy. They said I looked like an NFT. Streaming at 1 frame per second. So had to fix that up. Rescheduled to today, 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Welcome. Got one person in here. Wow, that's a real one right there. That's a real one. Sometimes we got technical difficulties, you know what I'm saying? Spectrum be playing me. Okay, Sarah, guys. You gotta roll with the punches. One person, what's up? How's it going? Theo, what's up, yo, man? Nothing much. Had to reschedule. Those of you who don't know, I usually do this on Wednesday, 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. This is Crypto Kickback. I also do another live stream on Sundays, 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. But, you know, today's Thursday. That's how it is. How's it going, Theo? We're going to give people some time to filter in here. It's atypical of me to be doing it today, but it is what it is. We're gonna make it work. 2 people, what's up? We're going to make it work. Drinking a smoothie, man. Trying to stay chill. Try to stay cool, you know? Okay. Got energies now. 4 people. More people. I need more people. Come on. What's up? Jojo or else. Boom, baby. I like that. I don't know. Made me hype. I got hype for a second. My bad. 3 people. Okay. They didn't like it. Hey, we're going to get all into it, guys. We're going to talk about, you know, what's going on. Crypto's been pumping. Crypto's been dumping. Crypto's doing something. You know, we're going to look at the cycle, the Bitcoin price, cycle to cycle, look at some altcoin market cap, look at some Bitcoin dominance, look at some altcoins, talk about some bullshit, whatever. That's what I do. 4 people, what's up? Love your channel. You deserve great things. Hey, I appreciate that, man. I've just been grinding over here. I've been over here grinding, trying to get people into crypto and shit. Damn, I didn't know it was going to be so hard. I was like, you guys want to make money? You guys like making money? And was like, no. I'm like, shit, I wasn't expecting that. It is what it is, man. We got real ones on the channel. You know, I don't try to do too much clickbait shit. It's probably why my channel's so small, but I don't care. I only want the real ones. 6 people, what's up? 6 people, what's good? They told you crypto is dead, though, huh? Yeah. They said crypto's dead. They said sell your bags, huh? I know a couple big YouTubers that are saying that shit. They're not addressing it now. That's funny. I thought they was OGs, though. 6 people, what's good? Perfect fresh, out of work. Nice, man. Got a cut. I got all cut up, man. Check that out, lifestyle. You like that? Woo. That's clean. I was looking at my live streams like, man, my hair's getting shaggy as shit. I got to fix that. How's the t-shirts coming along? It's okay, man. It's okay. I know I'm slacking. God, they're coming along. I got one version up. They're coming along. Man, I got all my business taxes together, man. Shit. I've been slacking on that too. 6 people, what's good? Yeah, guys, it could be whatever it is. We're gonna make it do what it does. Talk about crypto and stuff. We can start going through it. But my bad about the quality yesterday. I don't know. Like a good chunk of LA was all like screwed up on the internet. So we're gonna do it. 6 people, what's up? You guys are real ones. Let's jump into it. But before I get into that, let me just show you my shit real quick. Where is it? All right, hold up 1 second. But before we get to that good, allow me to shill myself. Want to wear the freshest crypto merchandise? Before we get to that good, allow me to shill myself. Want to wear the freshest crypto merchandise offered on the internet? Make sure to come visit the DubDigital merch store. Link can be found in the pinned comment below. Okay. And then I'm going to hit my Twitter and my Odyssey and we'll be done. I'll be done with that shit. But if I can't show you guys, what the hell am I doing here? You know what I'm saying? So, oh shit. I'm not sharing. I hate it when I do that and I mess my delivery up. But it happens, you know? Share. Not that. Big screen. 9 people. What's good? All right. So this is my Twitter. It's at DubDigital with 2 U's. That's my Twitter handle. Come follow me. I tweet out these live streams timestamped in case you guys are busy people. You probably are. Got busy lives doing stuff. Shaking hands, kissing babies and stuff. I timestamp it, tweet it out here. Got my live stream schedule up here. These are the normal times. This one is not typical because I had some technical difficulties. And then my merch store down here. And yeah, I tweet out other shit, you know. It's cool. It's gravy, you know. And then I'm going to show you the last thing, I swear. Odyssey.com. This is where I back up my channel pretty much. It's all ran on the blockchain. So not censorable. No ads. If you guys don't like ads, I get it. You could come watch me here. You get paid in LBC, which is a cryptocurrency. I get paid in LBC. It's a win-win. If you ever get disconnected, come find me here. Bada bing. All right, we're done. I swear. 6 people, what's up? Yeah, that's clean. Hey. I know. Thanks, man. Make me blush and shit. Solid connection this time around, partner. It's so hit and miss, man. God. Do you hate that shit? Like, what's up? Like, when you have your internet and your utilities just mess up, it's like, what? You guys don't ever, like, deduct that shit from my bill. What the hell? So, it's so spotty, man. Pissing me off. Yo, Dub, what's good? What's up, Crypto Fitter? How you been? Smoothie, man. Gotta stay chill. All right, guys. We're gonna get it going. Damn, Spectrum. No wonder it was lagging on Modern Warfare yesterday. Yeah, man. Like LA, I saw on Twitter a whole bunch of people were complaining about it too. My bad. All right, let's get it going. We're gonna talk about Bitcoin and all that good shit. Bada bing. I'm gonna get you up off here, Eric, real quick. Cool. All right. Let me get on the weekly real quick. So this is the Bitcoin liquid index. This is from cycle to cycle. This is what this is really the chart I showed in my 4-year cycle video. You guys aren't familiar with that, make sure to watch it. It puts everything I'm thinking from here to the end of the cycle all in a pretty 10-minute package. So you can listen to me ramble here, or you can get a condensed version. Go listen to that. That's why I make it. So you guys can get brought up to speed real quick. But basically, this is each black line is the cycle. Every 4 years, we have like an exponential run up. I believe we are halfway through the move right now. We've had a correction, some consolidation going on. Bitcoin has risen up from its death's door step at like 29,000. Now we're currently sitting at about 45,000. So it's not that dire, guys. I know we ran up yesterday to about almost 47,000. Now we're back down a little bit. It's all good. Price progression is sequential. You take 2 steps forward, 1 step back. We're taking a step back, but as long as we take more steps forward than we do backwards, that's good and maintaining the bullish trend. You feel me? Okay. DubDigital, we know that. Shut up, man. Okay, all right. I'm working on it. 10 people, it's good. I like that. More people gives me energies, man. Gives me energies. Okay. Let me get all nice. Get my life right. My internet's working again. That's cool. I like that. So I pay Spectrum for. Okay. So with that said, guys, let's just recap what's been happening so we can keep it in perspective. Keep it in perspective, guys. I'm telling you. Don't get all wrapped up in these weekly moves, whatever. Remember what's happened, where we've been, and what's going on now. So whenever we have a next drop, which I think we might have another drop, not like a cataclysmic one, but I think it'll be significant. You'll know what's going on, and you don't pee your pants and drop your bags. Well, you can do whatever you want, but you feel what I'm saying. All right. Just remember, since the beginning of the year, Bitcoin ran up about 80% from 34,000 to all the way to 65,000. Everyone was loving it. We're sitting up on the peak for about 84 days. Everyone loved it. Everyone said, oh my God, like, buy Bitcoin. CNBC's talking about it. Your friends are talking about it. Your family's like, oh, should I buy Dogecoin? Everyone's talking about crypto. See that euphoria going on. Then it plunged about 50%, hit around $29,000, I believe, at the low. That only took approximately, a week? Really? A week, 2 weeks? See, there's a saying in investing, guys. Prices go up in the escalator, but come down in the elevator. You can obviously see that just by doing a quick measure. That shit came down real quick. We ranged, we did a little lower low, over the next 2 months, right? But ever since, the middle of July to the late July to currently, we rose up about 58, 60%. That's great. That's good. We got to go up. But look, guys, we went up so freaking much. We got to give a little back, I'm thinking we got to give a little back, okay? The reason is because I see this rising wedge. Rising wedges are typically like a pattern of exhaustion, right? Let's go on the daily. You can see it even better. This thing's winding up in this rising wedge, right? It does some more grinding, but eventually what this shows you is that it's slowing its pace upwards, right? It's not continuing with its trajectory. It's flattening out. It's kind of rounding out. And then eventually when the buying pressure becomes less, sell pressure maintains its consistency, falls out. Where's it going to go? Well, let's do a quick move, measured move. It's not perfect. It's not perfect, guys. Just FYI. Shit, it's moving on me. What the hell? My bad. Hold up. Don't move, man. See, that is growing. Man, okay. I'd say probably like 34,000 or something. If this thing continues to rise up in this wedge, that means buying is like slowing down a little bit and will come back. But that's not a bad thing. That has to happen. This thing rose up so fast, man. Things don't go up forever, just like a one big impulse. That never happens. Everyone thinks it happens, but what never happens. If you've been in crypto for any amount of time at all, it does not happen. So with that said, Bitcoin, I would feel better if it gave some back probably we're in mid-August right now. Probably end of August, right? Early September, that happens. And that would not be the worst thing. Why do I say that? Because when in doubt, zoom out. In the grand scheme of things, guys, October, I told you, is typically the turnaround month. I'm expecting everything to start grinding back up towards the previous all-time highs of Bitcoin at 65,000 around the October area, which would be, right here. We're pretty far away from that, to be honest. How far away are we from October? Damn near 50 days, okay? So before then, we're not going to get out of this big old drop easy. That's not going to happen. This was a traumatic experience for a lot of investors, so I'm expecting some chop. I'm expecting some gains and some retracements. It's going to be some choppy action. But as long as we drift upwards over the next 50 days towards this all-time high, everything's gravy. In my opinion, not financial advice. But hear what I'm saying? You can't just come back from a crazy drop like that, just clean. No. And, I see people jumping in thinking they missed the boat again, the same similar stuff. But it's not a bad thing, guys. It's not all bad news. You know why? Because you got dry powder? Got any dry powder? I do. I'm going to buy up some shit. DubDigital, you're crazy, man. That's crazy. You see a drop like that? What is that? How big of a drop is that? 30% drop, which is not atypical even in a bull run. That's not atypical of Bitcoin to do in an uptrend. Okay. So say we have a 30% drop. Yes, I'm buying more. I'm doubling down. I did not go through this whole cycle to freaking wimp out now. No, I'm doubling down. Drinking smoothie, mango smoothie. I'm an island boy, y'all. Rude boy. What's up? How you guys been? 13 people. Wow. I feel blessed, man. I'm thankful I got the real ones that show up even on the unscheduled day after a piss poor internet connection, man. I want to smack Spectrum so hard, but I couldn't because I couldn't contact them. Man, what are we going to do if the internet goes out one day? I'm screwed. Eating soup and shit. 14 people, it's good. Yo, Dub, you think Axie is still a buy at $65? Oh no, let's see. Axie? $66 now. No. I don't. Doesn't mean you got to do what I say, but I don't think so. I'll tell you why. Like, see that right there? That 1, 2, that M pattern right up there at the all-time high? It's kind of like a double peak, man. That's showing you that, like, the buy pressure is, like, starting to get exhausted. You see it in the volume, too. It's declining, right? Volume typically follows, the price typically follows volume, at least in organic moves. I see that double top, that M pattern. Nah. I think it can give some back. Like I just showed you that I think Bitcoin at some point is going to wet the bed pretty substantially. Not end of the bull run kind of stuff, but it's going to scare a lot the rest of the weak people out who just rushed in here. Like, think about how other people think about the market. I know how you feel, how you react. I was getting some of that yesterday, seeing it go 47,000. I was like, oh, shit. I need to buy something. Yeah, that was me. I was like, and then I was like, hold up. Pop. DubDigital, what the hell are you doing, man? You can't be acting like a noob. I say, yeah, you're right. You're right, other DubDigital. And when I put it like that, it's like I got a little dry powder. You got dry powder left? That's precious. Precious. In case Bitcoin does wet the bed. This actually could turn into what? $50? What were you asking me? 65? Let's just do some numbers, man. 50. That's 15, right? I can't do math in my head. That's a 20% correction on Axie if that happens. 20% more. And I know dry powder is a rare commodity now, right? Everyone's pretty much deployed most of their shit, unless you're very disciplined or you just got a lot of money. So if it's a rare commodity, treat it as such. It's your, what do you call it? Reinforcements. Right? You only got a limited amount. You want blood on the floor. But right now, it's all-time highs, double top, volume coming down, Bitcoin not looking that hot in a rising wedge. That's a bearish pattern. That's my answer to you. Not financial advice. 16 people, what's up? A lot of OGs are talking about the second and third wave of the bull market, LOL. Second of the three. Talking about the I can't read. God damn it. Talking about the second of the three waves of the bull market. 3 waves. I kind of sum it up to 2 legs, and I'll show you why. To be honest, y'all can be the judge of that. It's all, look, man, like 3 waves, 2 waves, whatever, super cycle. It's all freaking theories, man. It's a freaking theory. I got a theory. They got a theory. You got a theory. It's not like the space has been around for decades and decades and decades where we can identify clear like patterns. And no, we only got 2 under belt. Everyone knows it takes 3 data points to establish a legit trend, right? So take it with a grain of salt, even for me, right? It's got to be real. But with that said, look, one large expanse takes us above the last all-time high. We have a consolidation, retracement and consolidation. Typically in Q4, we have another expanse that starts us into another cycle, and then it starts downtrending. I'll show you another cycle, other 2 cycles we have. The only 2 data points we have in existence to help like support that. Look. First real expanse above all-time high. Retracement consolidation. This is 2017 market. And then another expanse towards fourth quarter. That's 2. Same thing in 2013. Expanse above all-time high. Retracement consolidation. And then a last run up in Q4. That's 2. So 2 of the 3. I don't know where the third one is. Unless they're lengthening cycle guys, you know. But hey. Oh yeah, that's another theory too, lengthening cycles. But I don't really know where that comes from, man. Like where's the precedence on that chart? Like, well, it's because I think because of the market cap, well, that's all hypothetical filth, right? Like I'll believe it once I see it. I haven't seen it yet. I showed you in my 4-year cycle video that the cycles are only really lengthening about 2 weeks. Right? They're really, when people say lengthening cycles, they're really trying to take into account the inflationary environment that we currently are in with like all this printing and devaluation of fiat currencies like the won and the euro and the dollar. But that's all kind of like guesswork, man. Cycles aren't affected by events. Cycles precede events. They are predictive indicators in that sense. So what comes at Q4? I don't know. But what the cycle tells me is every freaking 4 years, crypto goes in a large expanse, tops out, and retraces 85%. Every single time, the thing that causes that is different. But that does not take away from the fact that something causes it every 4 years. Know what I'm saying? It's weird. I get it. If you're not used to cyclical analysis, I get it. 18 people, what's up? Hello, Wolves. I just want to say, Dad Master, have an NFT face. Ha. He does. Dad Master, what is that? CryptoPunks? I don't know. Jojo or else. Well, man, thank you very much. Supporting the channel. I appreciate it. Never ask for your money. Doesn't mean I don't appreciate it. Have a look at Blank Token. Private wallet for ETH transactions. Allow you to make transactions without everyone seeing your balance. Sitting at 10 million market cap. Okay. I'll check it out. But you know you could just buy Monero. Does the same shit. Let's see. Blank Token. Blank wallet. Did this? 17 people, what's up? Blank wallet. You said it's 10 million market cap. Well, this is 13 million. Is it the same thing? Is it the same thing? I don't know. All right, man, because Super Chat was so big. Hold on, let me scooch on over here. The hell's the other one? CoinGecko? Blank. Yeah, it must be this one. Same shit. Give me a second, guys. Hold up. Try and get my life straight. Oh. Is it blank? Guys, just one request. Please give me the ticker. There's so many damn coins out here. Even sometimes they share the same ticker, but give me the ticker. I'm assuming it's this one because market cap's 10 million. All right, let's run with it. Came out, popped out on the scene August. Wow, this is really early. A day old, man. Okay. There's not much to analyze on this shit, right? Because it's so early. Trading volume is 250,000. That's tiny. So you can't really fit a lot of money into this. Just FYI, if you got big bags, you can't really squeeze it in there like that. Currently sitting at about 50 cents. What's the total supply? Circulating supply is 21 million. Total supply is 125 million. So about 25% the circulating supply already. And just popped out on the scene a day ago. So they must have a pretty big pre-mine, to be honest. And hold up. Where's their website at? Get on Uniswap, Gate.io. Bixley. Okay, so probably you're getting it off of Gate.io. I mean, not Gate.io. Uniswap. That's what I would buy it off of. Where the hell is their website? Oh, right here. 15 people. It's good. Reclaim privacy on your Ethereum transfers. Blank hides your financial data by mixing transfers with the pool of funds within Blank, ensuring that outward transfers remain anonymous. Your privacy level only goes up with each additional transfer inside. You're not anonymous even on the blockchain. They're talking about how you could like trace addresses on most blockchains. Conceal your wealth, hide origins of your wealth, cover your trading activity. Chrome extension, that's kind of cool. MetaMask, Tornado Cash. Do they have partners though? I understand this. Partners. Where are your partners at? Okay. Woodstock. Oh. Whoa. Woodstock's a big investment arm out of India. So that's interesting. Let's see. Magnus Capital. Blockstick Ventures. Kairos Ventures, I've heard of them before. Okay, Woodstock's a big deal. That's interesting. So guys, just based off of that name right there, I like to suggest to you guys that you can do all your vetting all you want, or you can get familiar with the players who invest in projects because they do their due diligence if they're a reputable investment arm. Woodstock is a pretty big investment arm, right? So like that makes sense in that way. So if you guys want to dig into this further, very, very young coin, you can get it on Uniswap for 50 cents. And there's what? Everbody created, there's 125 million, right? Let's just do a million club calculation. 125 and 50 cents. That means at $62, you can be in a million club on this thing. That's interesting. Thanks for putting me on, man. Awesome. And thanks for Super Chat. Appreciate you very much. 17 people, what's up? So I've put OXT VPN on my Mac. Yeah, you know what? I looked that up in the Android store. They don't have it for Android, so I couldn't use it. My Exodus recommends a VPN, which makes sense. Now I use it whenever I'm private crypto stuff or banking online. Along with the firewall, Operation Paranoia Complete. It's not paranoia, Elizabeth. It's not paranoia. You're all up on crypto. People know. They watch these things, and they're coming for you. So like any layer of privacy you can add on top of it is good. But a lot of banking sites don't let you use a VPN, which is kind of shady, right? But yeah, hardware wallet, gotta have it, guys. Two-factor authentication, gotta have it. If you want the best two-factor authentication, check my video I guess affiliate links. I have something called whatever. It's called YubiKey. It's basically a lot like a hardware wallet for two-factor authentication where you plug it into your USB port and you have to press it. So like it authenticates and generates a randomized key. The thought process is hackers can't like import your Google Authenticator and put it onto their SIM card or whatever, or their phone, because you have to manually press a button. Just the same mechanism like a hardware wallet where you have to manually press things, because hackers more or less are typically not a physical threat. You got to think of this stuff, especially if you have a lot of your money all up on the internet. You can't 100% reduce the risk, but you can minimize it as much as possible. I think that's a smart thing. 22 people, what's up? My dude. Pause. You don't got to pause, man. I know what you mean. I know what you mean, man. How you been? Been good? I didn't get anything. Mango chunks, man. The hell? Where my zookeepers at? Right here, bro. Right here. We probably have the highest concentration on the live stream of zookeepers on the whole internet. Are you going to short crypto after selling the bull market peak in a few months? Maybe, man. I was thinking about that. So, you know how I talked about if you guys came in late, welcome. I'm going to go over some more macro charts, but let me just jump back into the Bitcoin because I think this is important. I want you guys to know this. I talk about the 4-year cycle, but it doesn't mean that we're not going to have some corrections along the way, right? And we all can agree that Bitcoin ran up pretty hard and fast, right? A lot of new money jumped in. You probably heard it all around Twitter. Oh, gotta get in. I missed it. We're going to 80,000. Everyone, laser eyes coming back, all that bull, right? Check it out. It's in a rising wedge, in my opinion, unless I'm wrong. But I don't think so. I mean, look at that. It makes sense, right? Rising wedge, pattern of exhaustion. It could fall out and fall down pretty significantly. Probably 40, 36, 34,000. It's not the end of the world, but damn, we ran up pretty much 56% over the course of 20 days with a slight breather in the middle. But come on. This isn't blue sky breakouts. We're not in a price discovery. We're trying to work back to a previous high, right? So there's going to be chop because people are still butthurt about it, you know? But what are you going to do when it falls down? I'm thinking about buying something. I'm thinking about picking up a leveraged long token, not a margin position so I can get liquidated. There's something called a leveraged token that you can buy and hold. And like, it's like a 3x. So every percent a coin goes up, you gain 3%. So it's like 3 times. Not saying you should do this, but I'm thinking if I believe in what I say I believe, and I think I should practice what I preach, the end of the year, we're working through this grinding time. But eventually, we're going to have a blow-off time. Exponential price increase. I am sold on the direction. If I'm making charts and videos and have a YouTube channel telling you that direction is up, I'm going to live and breathe that shit, and I'm going to pick that up. That's why I'm not mad if Bitcoin falls down. I got some dry powder. I'm going to deploy it, and then I'm going to make a whole bunch of money. Now, what you got to do, what I'm saying is this, like, even if you see a big correction down, Bitcoin has showed you that it wants to rise up again. It told you, I want to fly. I ain't dead, sucker. It said that. I looked at you and said, you thought I was dead, huh? Screw you. I'm going up. Made people freak out for a second. They jumped in, and he said, ha, you doubted me. I'm going to take your money. It's going to fall down again. That's what I think. And if he does that, he might not. But if he does that, I'm going to take advantage of that. Because Bitcoin, his only job is to play people and noobs. But with that said, am I going to short it at the end of this like cycle? I would short it not on a margin trade. I hate liquidation. It's not worth it to me. That is not worth it. Leverage tokens are a better form because it gets rid of, I believe it gets totally rid of the liquidation risk. So all I got to do is buy this token and just wait. I got to pay like daily like fees, like 0.01% a day, which is like $10 or something like that. But as time goes on, and I'm a believer of the 4-year cycle, the chance of Bitcoin or any crypto that I buy that was it short, like Bitcoin Cash short, Bitcoin short, whatever, Ethereum short, as time goes on, time is my friend, and crypto should start coming down, and then I'll make money on the way down too. I was thinking about that, but I'm really focusing right now on the long. I'm not there yet. I want all my focus and my energy on this next run up. I want to capitalize, and once I get all that money, then I'll think about that. Just eye on the prize. We haven't won yet. Eye on the prize. 23 people. What's up? Tony, working, listening to you. Hey, Tony, thanks, man. I used to listen to people all the time when I was working with an earpod in my ear, man. My boss be like, hey, DubDigital, come here. I'm like, what, man? Come on, man. We got a meeting. You're late. I'm like, yeah, but I got a live stream. We weren't mixing very well. 25 people, what's up? You get the Burberry Blancos NFT dub? No. Burberry Blancos NFT dub? No, I didn't. Did you? I only got like one NFT, man. I only got the LaMelo Ball NFT. Jello? Mello? You know? Little Mello? Dude, I've been watching him since he was in high school. I gotta get it. But it's cool. As his career goes on, I want to see what the NFT does. To be honest, it's like a science project for me. I want to see what a dynamic NFT does that should appreciate as he gets better in the NBA. It's going to be very interesting to see what NFTs do in the bear market. Are they even going to follow crypto? Or are they just going to live their own life? When you think about it, it's not It's like a representation of LaMelo Ball's career. And you also get airdropped sponsorship profits from the sponsorship he makes over time. Those are different kind of valuation metrics, you know what I'm saying? 19 people, what's up? He. What's up, Chill Money? Do you play NFT games? Yeah, I do. I got into Zill Dragons, and you can place bets and fight your dragons. That's tight. Yeah, I play Gods Unchained. I love Gods Unchained, man. Like, great strategy game. A lot like Magic the Gathering. That's how I really started learning about crypto. I got in crypto 2013. Mt. Gox. You know that used to be a Magic the Gathering exchange that also traded Bitcoin. Inadvertently became the biggest Bitcoin exchange and blew the hell up. There's a lot of crypto history in that stuff. So I'm thinking that, like, you know, crypto OGs, crypto whales are going to love it because people who got Bitcoin early, they played Magic. This game has like one of the founders of Magic the Gathering running it. And a partner in Coinbase. So just FYI, 21 people, what's up? Totally, bro. It's good, guys. Thanks for joining me. Sorry for the internet connection yesterday. I don't know. Sometimes it's hot. Sometimes it's not. Shades. Yes. Damn, man. Where'd you get those? Armani? I like that. Yo, Dub, talking about dry powder. Chills, Scarface. That's how I do my videos, man. I go face first. If you know, you know. What's good? It's okay. It's okay. Scarface. Say hello to my little friend. Dang. Cops out there, man. Shit. No, I'm just kidding. I'm all blurry. Oh, internet, chill out, man. Sorry. I'm sorry. Too many jokes. I gotta keep it classy. I'm feeling Cardano. Bought a bunch at 14 cents. Want more, but hurts to pay $1.80. Hey, God, what's up with this? I'm blurry, huh? Okay, I'm good. Yeah, I mean, that's the thing, man. Like, it sucks. Like, I said the same thing about XRP. XRP, I think, is going to go higher, like significantly higher. But I bought it at 17 cents. XRP is like damn near $1 now. Like, it's relatively undervalued for where I think I might go. But, like, I'm like, do I really want to, like, raise my cost basis on that? I feel you. It's a Cardano app. 88. Let's check it out. That's a Bitcoin. People like that. It's not even $1 anymore, man. It went up 6 cents. Woo! Wow. How high do you think this shit's gonna go? How high do you think? I remember Cardano when it was at 14 cents. Yeah, I'm young, but I'm old. But to kids, I'm old. My knee hurts. But yeah, man, yeah, I hear what you're saying. Like, I'm not gonna touch that shit. See, guys, like, this is the thing. Let's round up for a second. Come on. We gotta talk about this. The difference between smart money and new money in crypto is smart money plants its seed and lets it grow. New money plants its seed and plants its seed and plants its seed and plants its seed and plants its seed, and then it gets wrecked. You know what I'm saying? The whole point is to minimize your risk and reap stupid gains. It's not to, like, plant your seed and take a whole bunch of risk all up on the way and then get surprised when it comes down. I've been at both camps. I've been on both sides. And I'll tell you what, getting wrecked sucks. It sucks. Yeah, you can make a little more money. It sucks, bro. I got financially neutered. Look at me. My voice is all high. But seriously, dude, like, I feel you, and I'm of that opinion. I might as well look for a newer coin in that freaking, if that's the case, right? Like, why not look at something that's a little less high in the sky? Well, DubDigital ADA is going to be a killer. Yeah, it probably is. But I mean, you're not the first one to find out about it at this point. It's okay. This shit's been happening every 4 years. It's not like this is going to be the last time, hopefully. I mean, shit, I hope not. I like making money like this. It's easy as hell. 24 people, what's good? YGMI? Is that a coin? Or acronym? I don't know what that means. My bad, man. Am I lame? Am I lame for not knowing that? 24 people, what's up? My GRT has been holding decent. Chunky ass mangoes, man. All right, let's see. Well, I mean, hey, you know what? Lifestyle is not a bad deal. Like, I remember when GRT came out here, dropped down 30 cents. That shit at the lowest point hit 48 cents. Didn't even touch the low. I mean, like, it's rounding up. It's doing this shit. Rounding up again. To be honest, man, this looks like a big old fractal of this. Just look at this. Like, if you have TradingView or something, just copy this, scale it up, and see how much it fits to this. It looks exactly the same, to be honest, because, like, look, it's starting to be this nice rounding. This structure here compared to this structure here, nice rounding up to this. It's probably going to, like, try to retest all-time highs at some point, dip back down, but there's a big old run after that, right? So, yeah, I like how it's going. It's rounding upwards. That's going up. It's better than going down, right? We can all agree on that. GRT, the graph, it's on Coinbase. All it takes is one more euphoric pump for GRT to go crazy because all the noobs rush into Coinbase. You know this. Not all is lost, man. Keep the faith. I guess they refer to it as hodl waves. Who? What the hell's a hodl wave? Who's saying that shit? 3 waves? I only know 2. I call it 2 impulses or 2 legs. Waves, legs. Hey, it's all beat shit, Same as blanket wallet. Oh, okay, blank wallet. Okay, I think I did it, right? I'm good. Dub, you ever use the moon cycles indicator for in silico? From in silico? No. Moon cycles? Does that have to do with like astrology? I want to learn that shit. Hey, I don't know all the tools, to be honest. I don't know all the tools. I'm always growing my tool set. Right? That's the whole point. Get better, improve over time. But yeah, I mean, there's a lot of people, a lot of rich individuals in trading, investing that they believe in astrology, y'all. DubDigital, what the hell are you talking about? They do that? Yeah, man. I mean, it doesn't matter if you believe it. They believe it. And they're rich. It must, I don't know. I'm down with it if that's what you're talking about. 22 people, what's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up, man? All right. Let's jump into another macro chart. 26 people. What's good? Welcome, welcome. Crypto kickback got pushed back to today. My bad. Okay. Total 2. Look at Total 2 real quick. I just added RSI down here, guys, because I'm trying to like do all that shit now. Okay. Total 2, just the ones you guys know if you haven't seen this before. It's very similar to what I outlined on the 4-year cycle. Altcoins, really its first altcoin season occurred in 2017. That's the first one we ever really saw. So the altcoin like cycle pattern is lagging behind a cycle from Bitcoin, right? So we only have really one data point to like analyze. But as you can see, just based off what we know about the Bitcoin cycle, the cycle pattern, it's kind of playing similarly, and it looks similar to the Bitcoin price action and stuff. And over time, the volume in altcoin trading and stuff, buys and sells, has just grown a lot, okay? We dipped down, but never came back and touched down at the $471 billion market cap, which was the all-time high set in 2017. It's doing the same thing Bitcoin is. We didn't come down and touch 20,000, and we didn't come down and touch it here either, right? On the last all-time high. Let me zoom back up so you guys can see this. We ran up a lot. Following Bitcoin, right? Alts follow Bitcoin. Bitcoin's doing a rising wedge. What's alts doing? Is it doing the same thing? I don't know. Is it? Yeah, I don't know. But guess what? If Bitcoin falls out of that rising wedge, it's just going to take a dump on the sidewalk. It's going to come down. Where at? I don't know. But I don't think it's going to come down farther than at, this point. I think what we're getting, guys, is like bump, rise up, higher lows, higher highs until we grind up probably towards, it's probably going to be choppy until October. Maybe September, but October has typically been the historical month when crypto starts turning around. Definitely starts turning around. Okay. We're going to have chop because this was like a hard thing to stomach for a lot of investors. A lot of investors, once we get back up to previous market cap highs, they're going to take their break even, right? They're going to break even. The ones that didn't capitulate at the bottom had enough fortitude to get out, at least get their money back, to say, oh, thank God. Oh, my wife's not going to kill me. Oh my God. I don't have to sleep on the couch and drink vodka for dinner. They're going to get their money back. It's going to be hard to break above. We're probably going to grind. And then October comes around. We're going to shake enough of those guys out, then take off. That's what I believe, not financial advice. But with that said, if Bitcoin comes down and you see the RSI is all up out of the range, I think we might come down a little bit, give some back. Not a bad thing if you got dry powder, not Scarface powder. I'm talking about cash on the side. I'm looking for a leverage long token, not a leverage long position, like not a long position where I can get liquidated. Leverage tokens don't get liquidated. You just have to service it like everyday fee. But I hate liquidations. I hate that. I don't even want to chance that shit. But yeah, same thing with Bitcoin. But even if we do that, guys, don't be forsaken, because you see this whole slope upwards. And I'll show you what happened last cycle. This is 2017. It was a little condensed, right? There wasn't such of a a correction accumulation area. What we're seeing now is something more consistent in 2013. This is 2017. Instead of reaching a cyclical high in April of the year, 2017, we reached that cyclical high in June, right? So everything was kind of smushed together. That's why we have such a dip down and a bounce back. So just FYI, if you're asking like DubDigital, how come it doesn't curve out and like do that rounding up thing? Well, it does when you look at the Bitcoin 2013 chart, guys. See that? Happens in April, takes its time, a sweet ass time to get back. Happens in June, snaps back much quicker, much more aggressive at the end. What do you think? 20 people, what's up? Carlos, Dad Master, what's good, man? How you been? Dub, did you get your free YubiKey from Bullish Global? What? They're giving away, I've been buying my shit, man. What the hell? They're giving away free YubiKeys? No, I didn't get one. How do I get one? I want more. Bullish Global's on YubiKey. They're smart guys. Got my YubiKey from Bullish Global. Wow, that's awesome. How do I get one? More the merrier. Staking rewards, proud sponsors on the growing cannabis industry. What? Staking rewards? Wait, you're getting cannabis rewards? Lane, are you getting nugs from staking your crypto? How does that work? 22 people, what's up? Somnium Space Cube is like a combination of Sandbox and Decentraland, although its market cap is only 30 million and max supply is only 100 million. Sand max supply is 3 billion and mana is 2 billion. Yeah, Somnium Cubes. I think we went over this before. Just check it out, guys. If you miss Decentraland, if you miss Sandbox, hell, I missed Decentraland. But I did cover Sandbox before it took off. You check the date. Somnium Cube is also being looked at. It's not the Winklevoss. Who the hell? Who follows them? Some dude from Grayscale, man. Shit. I forgot. My bad. Anyway, Somium Cubes at $2.41. This thing fell down to death. It really fell out in May just when Bitcoin took a dump on the sidewalk. Not bad. Total supply is 100 million. So that means you need what? 100 of them to get in the 1 million club. I should be able to do this in my head, but I can't. What's the current? $241, 1 million club, Somium space. You know, same thing with the land thing with Sandbox and Decentraland, right? The land is real estate within an ecosystem that acts as an NFT or non-fungible token. No more will ever be made as more and more network effect and more people join the ecosystem. In theory of economics, that land should appreciate in price because the demand is driving up for that land. The utility of that place is growing, right? And I'm guessing you can do like, tell me if I'm wrong, Chill Money, but you can do all kinds of stuff. You can conduct business in there, business meetings, events, get-togethers, like teaching and stuff too, right? 19 people, what's up? Right? Think so. Man, XLM, XRP bags packed. Yeah, I know you'd be liking that. Let's see. What's XLM doing? I know XRP is doing. DIY came out a pretty good video on it today, I think. Whoa. 333. Huh. That's new. What? 3's a special number, guys. If you know, you know. XLM. Yeah, I mean, XLM follows XRP. They're highly correlated. They take off at the same time. This thing obviously has a curving and it's forming up that parabola. Probably grind up as it time goes on. We want to see like more higher lows like that. And then boom. So I think it's happening. We got to see some volume come in here, right? It's still kind of pitiful, but what do you expect? People are still looking at Bitcoin, what Bitcoin's doing. They're still hesitant right now. But as the hesitancy goes away, I think it's only a matter of time. These mango chunks, man, are killing me. 21 people is good. Just got my email from Bullish 2. I'm in the game. Wish me luck. First place is 100K. Ooh. Talking about that trading competition? That's tight. Good luck, man. Yes, my man. I was thinking of shorting with Binance Leverage tokens too. Gonna grab alt down coins because alts will fall even harder. Yeah, I mean, same thing. Same thing. Like on the way up, alts go up harder. On the way down, alts go down harder and first or faster, right? So like, yeah, I'm never gonna touch those option liquidation shit because crypto, it wicks all over the place. Like bang bang, it's gonna run your stops, liquidate your ass like real quick. Like leverage tokens, I think get rid of that. That's like one of the main problems with like long and short positions. So long and short coins, take that away, right? So I'm gonna be doing probably on KuCoin has those too. I was looking at BCH though, right? Because ain't no one expecting the BCH play. No one. Only a few people here. So once BCH, I think, starts taking off, everyone in the world is going to look and be like, what the? Oh, shit. Let's start throwing it. Multiplying that shit 3x. I don't know. But hey, you know what? Why not? I think I've been saying this whole damn time I've had this channel. Alt season's coming. All season's coming. And we finally start seeing alt season coming. Why? I'll show you why. You guys probably know this by now. 21 people, what's good? Bitcoin dominance. You can take the RSI off here. Where's it at? It's getting all in my face. Yeah. Hey, you know how 2017, ultimately, alts fell down about 60%. hit about 36% Bitcoin dominance, but it wasn't all at one go. It fell down a good 27%. First rise up was about 25%. Then it fell down again, 36% to 40%. Grinded a bit. And at the end of it, the last like month, altcoin dominance fell down another 50%. It's been like alts make a run, Bitcoin runs up. Alts make a run, Bitcoin runs up. Alts make a big run. I'm trying to time that big run in altcoins. And I think over the long-term trend, Bitcoin dominance has only gone down over time. Plot this shit up in Excel and draw the trend line. It's going to be down and to the right, right? Downward sloping trend, making lower lows the whole way down. So nothing indicates to me that this is going to take off and Bitcoin just going to super cycle. Alts are going to blow up and die. That's not symmetrical, right? The law of symmetry. Charts geometry follows the law of symmetry. Low here. We've already damn near touched the lows of last cycle already. We bounced up off of 39% Bitcoin dominance. And then we're in this triangle, right? Jumped up about 21%. When I zoom up, you'll see that the Bitcoin dominance started falling out of that triangle. Oh, it wants to come down. It wants to come down bad. And you know what happens when all Bitcoin dominance comes down? Your alts start blowing up. Yeah, they start blowing up. It's probably going to be choppy, especially when you hit this all-time low at 36%. It's probably going to do something all the way through October. It's going to come down probably farther than here, all the way to October, November. And then you see what happened right here. Started dropping December 17th, like midway through December, late in the game. Big drop in the altcoins from Bitcoin value. That's what I think is going to happen. And when that happens, I'm going to have all my altcoins. I'm positioned about 20 to 25% Bitcoin, the rest in altcoins. So most of my long-term holds are going to blow the hell up. And then if I get this drop on Bitcoin and pick up that leveraged long token, then that's going to blow up. See, guys, if my strategy is right or wrong is immaterial. It's what I believe. It's what I see on the charts, and it's what I hold my conviction in. At the end of the day, you as an investor have to make a call. Are you bullish? Are you bearish? Bitcoin maximalist? Open-minded and holding different coins? It's all about your vision of the future. At the end of the day, there's no shame in taking a stance. That's the only way you really make money in capital markets, is to take a bold stance. This is my stance. I've shown you why. I've articulated in a video for your cycle why crypto should gain market cap in the next coming months. And I'm showing you this chart, the Bitcoin dominance, that it's made lower lows over time every single cycle so far. So when you put those two together, I'm presenting you all the evidence I have to show you why I'm doing the things I'm doing. And I think it's more so than some channels do on YouTube. It's what I can offer. 20 people, what's up? I like that idea. Hey. The bullish game starts for real in September. EOS will be tied tight to BTC. Really? Hey, what's up with that, man? Like, what's going on with that? Like, I know Blummer's been hinting like, oh yeah, EOS to scale Bitcoin. How? I'm interested. How? Mango chunks. Win nightlife. When I used to be a little hood rat. Let's see. Hope so. This next run will get everyone around you who told you, oh, crypto was something stupid, buying everything at its top. I'm not going to lie. I'll be laughing while watching them cry for not listening. Hey, but Waffler, number one Waffler. You don't want that kind of smoke on your soul, man. You don't want that karma, man. Nah, it's not worth it. Yeah. I ain't going to be laughing. I'm just going to be like, hey, And then I'm gonna tell them to sell, and they won't do it. They never do what I tell them, man. It just strangers listen to me. Ain't it funny like that? Ain't life funny like that? It's the way of the world, man. Hey, you can only take a horse to water. You can't make it drink. I used to try to make horses drink and shit. And then I realized, what the hell am I wasting all my goddamn energy trying to make this horse drink? You can follow me to promised land. Or you could stay in the not promised land. I wish I had a better way to tie that up, but it was kind of lame. BlackBerry is a great investment long term. BlackBerry? Cell phones? Their cybersecurity is the best on the planet. Yeah. I think that's the reason why they started making it not popular. BlackBerry, man. Shit. That shit was secure. They said, nah. Get rid of that shit. We want to scan your photos and stuff. Heard about that? Mr. Jobs, or his company. Scanning stuff. Can't say too much. They be taking me off on here. Taking me off YouTube, but hey man, I don't know how you feel about that, but damn, that's kind of crazy. If you're in crypto, you should think that's crazy. Hey, I got Android, man. I got a shitty camera, but at least they're not doing that, I think. Hopefully. I don't know. I don't know what they're doing to me. They're probably listening to me right now. Shit. 22 people, what's up? Cube is used as the in-game currency. Yeah, you can buy like the land tube with it, right? You just reminded me of Dave Chappelle. Really? Thanks, dude. Game. Blouses. Dave Chappelle. Man, I got younger kids on here. They didn't know anything about that. Interesting. But bought EOS. It's been $4 for 3 years. LOL. You never pay more. Just buy EOS? Just bought EOS? It's been kind of like, lagging for sure. But hey, it moved up to $10, $15 with the quickness. I think it can move a lot. It's just going to be real condensed. Okay, so I'm going to tell you what. Bitcoin Cash and EOS are highly correlated. I've noticed. They take off, they move the same exact times. And Bitcoin Cash is volatile as hell too. It moved up from $300 to $4,000 in 3 months, 2 months. It's a big old move. Hey guys, make sure to like too. That'd be cool. Please hit the like button. I fixed my internet. Come on. Hit the like button. Cool. Thank you. Deshaun, what's up, dude? Tory Lanez sold 1 million album NFTs. Each NFT was $1. Damn. For real? What you smoking on today, Deshaun? Platinum cookies? How was that? It's good? Very good. That's crazy about Tory Lanez, though. If I made a NFT, would you guys buy? I'm asking for a friend. Hashtag pennies matter. LOL. Pennies do matter, especially when there's crypto falling down. You want to buy it, and you're like, oh shit, I don't have no pennies. You're going outside looking for quarters and shit. You're like, shaking vending machines. You're like, the alarm's going off. Man, I've been there. Selling your shit on OfferUp. Taking kids' money for lunch, or was that just me? I said too much. Heart fire. Or how my wife would say. 22 people, it's good. Hour in, I'm warming up, man. Okay. Too much talking. Yoga time. I'm out of poses. What's a pose? What's a yoga pose? I do tree too much. Rock pose. Okay, how's that? I don't fucking know. I feel like BCH, LTC, and ZEC are heavily correlated. Yeah, right. The naming conventions. I brought that up before, right? That's weird. They just all happen to have the same C at the end. Oh wait, BCH. No, I'm screwing up. Never mind. BCH, LTC, and ZEC are heavily correlated, so I've decided to hold the most prominent, promising, and popular one, which is, well, you know which one. Yeah, I know which one, Shoma. You like BCH. BCH gang. Woo, woo. Let's see what's up. Typing in BCH. Shoma likes BCH. Oh, dang, 613. Hey, no lie, man. I kind of want to go down to 500. I want to get that long, man. If it's going to fall down more, I mean, I might as well buy it, right? But hey, yeah. BCH, look at this shit, man. It hasn't even had like a real cycle in it. For real, guys. We don't know how high BCH really is going to go. It hasn't even had a whole cycle. It got released in July 2017. It got released like not like midway through the cycle, man. Its first pump up, boom, fell down. But I do remember it running up to like almost $1,000, like right when it got forked. That was crazy. But hey, ZEC, LTC, BCH. I would say BCH has the most traction going for right now. LTC's kind of fell into obscurity, but I still hold a whole shitload of it. So look, man, like when you have, I'm not trying to like act like a big boss and shit. So let me tone it down. But like, you know, when you got a pretty significant bag and you're like, oh, pretty fat ass bag. You got to worry about exit liquidity, right? So what if you have a coin that there's only like $100,000 worth of volume in it, and you got like $1 million worth of that coin at the end of the bull run? How are you gonna exit? You're gonna freaking sell down on yourself, lowering the price, right? Like you got to think about, okay, is this a big enough coin for me to exit if I'm sitting on big old bags? So you're gonna hear a lot of big money and stuff talk about exit liquidity. Like that's why a lot of really rich people like Bitcoin, because there's gonna be enough liquidity for them to get out. Ethereum, enough liquidity to get out. Bitcoin Cash is on every single major exchange that is worth a damn. There's enough money to get out. Litecoin, the same. Zcash, probably the same. I know Roger Vere's all up in Zcash too. So, but whenever you're talking about like really small, early new coins, if you got a big old bag, if you're like a huge whale in that shit, how are you going to exit? That's a problem. You know, that's something you got to think about too. Just be aware of that. One day you'll get there. If you're on this channel, you're on your way. 20 people, what's up? Do you like ZIL? Yeah, I like ZIL. I mean, how can I not like ZIL? I was a little salty about ZIL because I didn't get in it. But I mean, I'm not going to sit here and say I don't like it. That's just me being a little asshole, right? 10 cents. ZIL starting to come back. We're not seeing like major volume, but I believe that will come. It saw it before. ZIL had that double top, just like a lot of coins did, fell back down because Bitcoin came down. Not because of ZIL though, but this thing started taking off early 2020 and kind of sustained, and it sustained all the way through 2021. While some coins waited till 2021 to start taking off, I remember this thing was one of the first ones to start taking off. It's a market leader. Was a market leader. Will it continue to be so? I don't see why it wouldn't. You know, it's already went past its all-time high. So this next time, it's going to go into price discovery. You know, and it has solid tech. I know a lot of people like ZIL. A lot of people have nothing but good things to say about it. So that's my thought on it. I'm just like, you know, I never picked it up, and it's okay, man. I'm fine with that. I'm totally okay with not picking up every single hot investment. Again, I'll tell you, I'm not proud. Didn't get into ZIL. Could have gotten into ZIL early. Could have gotten into Elrond early as hell. I could have gotten early on Kusama. Could have got early on DOT. There's a whole bunch of them I just never got into. But it's not because I wasn't sitting there looking at stuff. I was picking investments. Sometimes you pick great. Sometimes you pick not so great. But even like, you know, buying early, my shit's still up pretty high, right? Don't get all like zoomed up on like, oh, I missed it. It's like, that's the lack mindset though. If you're all up in ZIL, if you're not in crypto, I mean, ZIL's not at a bad spot to buy. You know, if you are in ZIL, great. It's a good coin. But if you're in a whole bunch of other cryptos and you're just like hating the fact that you didn't get into Zill, why? You just feeling that greed, feeling the greed come on in? This is the second impulse on the cycle. Be careful on how high in the sky you invest. Because the higher you invest, the farther you can fall. I'm just trying to bring that into your awareness right now. Risk mitigation is important too. 22 people, what's up? Hey, check out 1 inch, and if you click on the search bar on CMC, you will see it is the most trending asset. Yeah. One inch. I mean, I see that's a thick old volume bar right there. I mean, shit, man. May hit about $7. Fell down. Yeah, I mean, this is a big old fat volume thing. I wonder what's up. I wonder what people know or why it's trending like that. I know it's a DEX aggregator and all that, but I wonder why, because the supply is kind of like 1.5 billion. Not hating on it. I'm just saying, like, what's the secret sauce on it? Why is everyone losing their shit over it? Pretty crazy stuff when you look at it. New moon recently equals down. Really? Full moon on 22nd probably bottoms around there, then up. When's the new moon? I mean, that's not too crazy, man. Because, like, look, I've been showing you, like, that kind of lines up. Kind of lines up with what I see in the chart. Bitcoin, I mean, a rising wedge, that's exhaustion. You're saying about the 22nd? So that'd be like around here. So that means over the next 2 weeks or so, we're going to have a correction, bottom out, and then turning up. I mean, that would bring us down to probably, I mean, honestly, I think around 40,000 to maybe. People, I've heard 42 to 40 to 38, whatever. It's gonna bottom where it bottoms. I'm not necessarily caring about hitting the exact bottom. I'm caring about hitting lower than where we're at now so I can get a better entry on a long. But that's interesting. Look at this. This is a technically bearish pattern, a rising wedge. I'm not going to count it out. 19 people, what's up? It overlays the cycles on the chart. Is there an indicator on TradingView for that? I'll be interested. I'm open to anything, guys. I will look at anything. I ain't proud. Off in 10. DGB. Let's look at it. How's it doing, man? You guys feeling better over there? I think the DGB click is doing better now. It's feeling better. Josiah and Jared are getting along now? I don't know. What's going on with that? 6 cents? Dang. Hey, you know what, man? Isn't it Rudy Bowman? Oh, yeah, my next video is going to be on DGB. FYI. Next video is going to be on DGB, restarting the cycle. But yeah, Rudy Bowman's been hitting at some hot stuff, getting mentioned on BitBoy's channel. I wonder what's going on. Apparently they told BitBoy, right? They should tell me too. But yeah, DGB, it's already been above its all-time high, just like Zill, and it came back down because of Bitcoin. The next stop is price discovery, and DGB moves with the ferocity of 1,000 suns. So it's about time. 7-year-old blockchain, pretty much one of the most decentralized in mining equipment and algorithms. Secure chain, enthusiastic community, diehard community. They have Digi assets coming out, right? All that good shit. They got all these technologies built on it. Digi ID, Atom ID. I don't know. ETH fees at roughly $30. 75% of the planet can't afford that crap. Yeah, man. I know. That is true. Supposedly EIP 1559 was supposed to address that, right? It's like not $70 anymore, but it's still expensive. It's a rich person's blockchain now, right? I mean, I can get in and out, but I ain't happy about it. 20 people was good. Have you looked at Economy? Yeah, I mean, that thing came out with a bang. Ami, right? Is a ticker? Yeah. Now it came back to earth. Thank God. I wasn't going to buy it up here. People were buying it all up in the sky. They got wrecked. Hey, but it's starting to step up. Make higher lows. That's nice. We haven't seen any real significant volume, but we're pretty much where we were at in March 2021. Fast forward 5 months, we're back at it again. You missed this big old pump up? Good news. If you really like this project, it's right around where you could have got it at 5 months ago. What's the hesitation? And you start to see it. It's like, I'm not on TradingView, but it's starting to round up a little bit. Unless we have a big old crash down like the full moon says. Then, it is what it is. But hey, first quarter of this year, same price as what it is now. That's why you have patience, y'all. Know this crypto, but I'm excited to play the new Battlefield 2042 tech test all weekend. Really? I'm so out of touch on video games, man. I just stare at crypto all day and play Gods Unchained. That's all I do. But that's awesome, man. Yeah, I mean, Battlefield. I don't even know video games anymore, man. I'm old. Getting old as shit. Have you any thoughts on FarmCoin? Yeah, we talked about it a little bit. Last stream actually. Hour 16. Harvest Farm. It's on Coinbase, right? Almost $300. Wow. 80% of supplies out though. That's kind of volume's real. I know Lifestyle. You got your mom up in this. I'm not talking about it like that, man. I'm saying he got his mom to invest in it. That's tight. Some people are picking this up. Just, one of the strategies is buy early on into a Coinbase coin and it starts pumping up. A lot of people did the same thing. They did the same thing on GRT as well. Do I have thoughts on it? I mean, total supply is tiny. It's tiny. Damn. It's like 700,000 supply. It's nothing. Most of it's out there in circulation, though, so there are whales probably. Market cap, almost 180 million. So not tiny anymore. I mean, if it's on Coinbase, it's not. But just from a scarcity play, it's already damn near upwards towards its cyclical high, February. Once it passes that, it'll somewhat be in price discovery. It's kind of like a Zcash type of thing. It dropped all the way down from what? Almost $1,700? Wow. That would be a big old gain if it revisited, right? 20 people, what's up? Will you sell all your bags at perceived top and rebuy at bear buy? Okay. Watch my 4-year cycle video. I lay it out pretty well, I believe. We will go over here, get this RSI out the way. Shit. Did I move this over here? I don't know. I'll fix it later. Okay. Cool. All right, so I just need one cycle, to be honest. Cool. Okay, so look, this is the end of last cycle right here, 2017. This thing ran up, topped out somewhere in Q4. This is Bitcoin, by the way. Fell down for about a year. At 365 days, it was like in the super capitulation area. I remember this. I was trying to buy the falling knife right here, and then it went down more. I was like, oh, that's not that bad. Then it freaking made me want to lose my lunch, and I wanted to throw up and puke. My girl was like, hey, you okay? I was like, oh, leave me alone. What's wrong? Nothing. I'm okay. I don't know if I should laugh or cry. But yeah, man, like I believe in the 4-year cycle. It doesn't even have to be exactly conforming to the 4-year cycle. I don't even have to hit the exact low. I'm planning on designating a portion of my profits where I'm like, okay, this is for reinvestment in the next cycle. I'll keep that safe. When it comes around about 365 days, I'll start dollar cost averaging in. I'm going to start dollar cost averaging in, weekly buys, whatever. Right? You can set that on Coinbase or Gemini or whatever. You can set that up straight from your bank account. Do. Get an average entry price. If you did that with Bitcoin, you probably end up with the average entry price on Bitcoin at $6,000. Right? Do that all the way until it starts rising up. And once it enters all-time highs again, then I stop buying. And then it's all money. That's my plan, according to the 4-year cycle. But will I still at a perceived top? Yeah, I mean, I've been saying Q4 of this year, right? But watch my 4-year video. It'll put it in a much more eloquent manner. 19 people, what's up? Bitcoin's strength is in its network effect and node operators. Yeah, network effect. Yeah, people say Bitcoin's going to die. It's like, well, okay, but it's one of the largest networks in the world, the longest running networks in the world. There's inherent value in just that. You know what I'm saying? So anything that gets enough network effect is valuable in itself. What good is a Facebook with 2 people? What good is a Facebook with 10 people? Well, it's slightly more valuable than the one with 2 people. But what about a Facebook with 1 billion people? Oh, damn, that's kind of useful, huh? What good is a payment network with 2 people? What good is Visa? Oh, that's pretty good, huh? Same with Bitcoin. People don't think of Bitcoin as a network, but that's exactly what it is. A self-perpetuating network that has yet to really go down. Hard to, 51% attack. Well, it's not hard. It's just extremely, extremely expensive. That's the beauty of POW that people wants to talk about. POS is cool, but you could really just have a few billionaires come and take control of that because they'll buy a big old stake. POW is a little more tricky. Don't laugh. I mean, drink a beer or take a shot instead. I'm doing all that, man. Some horses die of thirst, and buggy makers laugh at Henry Ford. And buggy makers laughed at Henry Ford. Yep. So I'm Lean Six Sigma certified, guys, for my last job. And you know that the dudes that made Six Sigma, I think it was Japanese dudes. Yeah. Or somebody. I forgot who made it. Whoever made Six Sigma approached American car companies, I believe it was Ford, and said, hey, we got this process or it was Six Sigma. No, it was Lean. Yeah. Lean is basically the process improvement of putting things together in the shop to improve efficiency. So there's less wasted movement. So you're improving the workflow. You're improving the workers' efficiency. You're just improving and making things faster and getting rid of waste. They approached American car companies and said, hey, we got this whole process down. We can teach you, da-da-da. And then they said, nah, we make cars good already. We don't need that. Then the makers took that over to Asia. Toyota implements it. And now Toyota is like a powerhouse. Same thing with this, Visionaries are always laughed at. Visionaries are always seen as losers. L7 weenies. Until the rest of the world looks around like, oh shit, that was a good idea, huh? But if you're looking for outward validation for people to tell you that you have a good idea, you're probably never going to take advantage of your good ideas in life. That's just the way it is. I learned that the hard way. If I believed in what I thought Bitcoin was back in 2013, I would have went heavier in Bitcoin, and I would have been done already, sitting on the beach, drinking vodka because I want to. I just kind of believed in it. I just kind of believed in myself. And you know what? When I saw Bitcoin run up to $20,000, I said, God damn it, I ain't never going to second guess myself again. That's why I'm here. That's why I left my job. To do all this. To bring some people with me. I'm going to do it. God damn it. I ain't going to go to the graveyard without doing what I said I'm going to do. I told myself this. I'm going to do it. And the cycle has been showing me everything I need to see to give me even more conviction to double down. Bitcoin drops down, perfect. I love it. Win or lose, I'm going to have a great ride. But as far as I can tell, this is just a mid-cycle correction for a greater expanse. How are you going to go to $250,000 of Bitcoin without pulling the rubber band back? Every action has equal opposite reaction. 18 people, what's up? Thoughts on Flare going live next month? Are they going live next month? I hope they're going live. I want my freaking Flare tokens, man. When the hell? I better get those before the end of the bull run. When am I getting my tokens? But I like Flare, interoperable DeFi ecosystem, just like I like a WAN chain, just like I like Cosmos. It's the same freaking thing. Interoperable. You'd say interoperable, I like it. DeFi, I like it. Right? So, hey, but when the hell am I getting my tokens? The peaks in BCH look like sharp spikes. Because they are, man. They run up fast. WAN chain gang. Zoo is going to go crazy. Let's see what's up. Internet's been pretty good today. Spectrum heard it. Oh, shit. Dub's hating on us. Get our shit together. Nah, they never care what I think, man. 11 cents. Not bad. It's flatlining, but it's rounding. And you see this coming in. It's a tiny project. There's 4 million in it now. The video I did earlier this week, there was 3 million. But this thing came down from $1.80, man. $1.80 to 10 cents. Yeah, it was 10 cents. I think it was a low. That's crazy. What is that? 18 times down? Wow. But hey, check out Wasp. Because, I got a lot of Wasp. $0.07. This is a better rounding pattern. I've had a thesis that, these dexes, they go through a lot of the similar price patterns. You could look at sushi, right? And we're seeing a rounding here. Remember that? I've been mining this shit for like 9 months. Yeah, 9 months. See? Sushi had a similar period. Then it ran up like crazy. Went from 60 cents to about $23. Let's look at cake. DubDigital, what are you showing me right now? I'm showing you that use cases, these dexes, these use cases, they move similarly because people have similar psychology on how useful they are. All of these I'm showing you are not even cross-chain DEX. Wasp is a cross-chain DEX. They have an issue with liquidity at this point right now. Talking to a team, they're trying to fix that problem. So, yeah, that is one sticking point. However, look at this. 40, 50 cents. Cake ran up to freaking $41, man. If I get a fraction of that, oh my God, man, I'm game over. I personally think people get upset because they see it as missed opportunity. Upset about what? I mean, what, something going up? Yeah. But, opportunity isn't limited. Opportunity is all around you. You're staring at the coin that already went up when there's something on the ground. Just look around, be aware. Like, don't have the lack mindset, have that abundance mindset. Like, opportunities everywhere you look. It just might not be in the way you want it or pretty or just prestigious, but it's there. It's always there, So don't try to focus on what you're missing. That's lack. Oh, I missed out. That's lack. What else is left, man? Look on the ground. One man's trash is another man's treasure. 22 people, what's up? Dub, I linked you to the indicator and you skipped it. I did. I don't see a link, man. I didn't see a link. Nah. I don't see a link, man. What's it called? Full moon overlays. Yeah, I'm looking at your other right here on the comments. No, I didn't see it, man. My bad. Do they let you post links in here? Just tell me what it's called. I'll look it up. Or I can look it up. I'll look it up. GRT is doing it right now. Hey, get that money, boy. Do you use any platforms like Nexus or Celsius? Yeah, I use Celsius. I used to use BlockFi. It's okay. I'm thinking about. I have some family using BlockFi, but I want to switch them over to Nexus or Celsius. I use Celsius right now, but they're still in the process of getting their insurance together. I want my shit to be insured. I'm looking at Nexos for the bear market, where I'm going to put my stable coins because they are insured. FDIC insured, probably up to $250,000. Maybe, hopefully. Yeah. Up to $250,000. And they're paying like 10 to 13%, I think, on stable coins. Right? So that's pretty significant. You can use time to your advantage, get more stable coins as time goes on. But yeah, I would only really use it for significant amounts of stable coins. Then you could also get like loans against it from their platform. But in the bear market, I'm looking to pick up Nexos, the coin, when it gets crushed to death 95%, because they pay the coin holders, I believe, some type of dividend for the profitability of Nexos. So I'll be getting my stable coin, I guess you would say, interest 10% per year on the amount I have locked up on their platform. And then I'll be getting dividend investing, Warren Buffett, Druckenmiller, all that shit, right? So I like that. It's income. It's passive income for me. I like passive income. Hey, man, I'm inherently lazy. I don't want to do all this shit. I will. I'll do what I got to do, but like at the end of the day, I don't want to have to do it. Yeah. Work smarter, not harder. 22 people, what's up? Solana will do very well long term. Yeah, there's a lot of people who believe that, Crypto Secret Circle said the same thing when I was talking to him. Is XPRT a good project? In short, yes. In short, yes. XPRT. Persistence. Let me pull it up. I will say yes. I will also say a young project. It might need a cycle and like a bear market to flesh out, but it's basically NFTs representing commodities, grains, all that shit, right? Commodities, a trading platform for institutions. And a couple months ago, I know that they pushed through already. They've already done this, $100 million worth of commodity trading on it, on one of their, I guess, technical solutions called Comdex. Look that up, Comdex. They also just released something called P-Stake or X-Stake. Yeah, where it's like a liquid staking mechanism where you could lock up like certain assets, and then you get a synthetic version of the asset where you can go in and yield farm with that. So you're staking like Cosmos, then you get synthetic Cosmos, and then you can go to Ethereum and do shit over there with it. It's like pretty revolutionary shit. I also talked to Crypto Secret Circle on XPRT. He's really big on that too. A lot of people like persistence. Other people I even watched in the last cycle like persistence. And it's small. The market cap is what? 200 million or so? Circulating supply of XPRT is 37 million. Total supply, they say here, is 111 million, but it's really going to be 400 million over the next 15 years. Okay, so in order to get into the 1 million club on this, let's just say you want to guarantee your 1 million club status, right? 400 million divided by a million, probably gonna do this in my head, but I don't care. 400 times 611. Currently, it would take about 2.5K to get in the 1 million club. The reason I like persistence, and one of the coins I'm going to be looking for in the bear market when it gets squashed, is because they're paying 35%. They're paying 35% to people who stake persistence for the next, year and a half, maybe a little less than a year and a half. Then they reduce that down to 17%. But they're going to supplement that with other projects that launch on their chain. They're going to airdrop you their tokens, much like Luna does. So this thing essentially is going to be a passive income machine with not that much supply. It's just young, and it got started this cycle. It might be a grower. You know, hopefully I covered that pretty cohesively. I don't know, bro. I'm just stuffing my XRP bags, and you know what I discovered? Baby XRP is giving me free XRP. Ha. Hey, do what you got to do, man. Hopefully it works out. I don't know. I ain't touching baby XRP. I ain't touching nothing that says baby in front of it, man. No. But if it works out, that's awesome. LOL. I like when you don't believe in Bitcoin, but the FOMO gets you. It's strong, man. It's a physical like reaction. It's like a, oh shit. I should have got more Bitcoin. It takes a couple of times to get wrecked to know when you're like, wait. Stop doing that shit. Go take a walk. Go do some curls. I don't know. The good news just keeps piling on you. Like Peter Schiff, for example. Did he said Bitcoin's going up, right? Recently? I haven't looked at that video yet, but is he liking Bitcoin now? Peter Schiff. You double face talking, tie wearing. Just kidding. Flare ends September? Songbird in 6 weeks. It ends in September. What? I don't know what that means. My bad. I thought it was fake. Then I got an XRP airdrop yesterday. Is it a lot? XRP holders from last December getting all the airdrops. Laugh. Doge defies reality. Sure. Hey, this isn't new for Doge. Doge is an oscillator. It does this. It's done this in last cycle too. It goes up high, a lot like a Raven coin, a lot like XRP. Like XRP is an oscillator, you know. Doge probably isn't done for this cycle. You guys know that. Especially because people seen it go up so high. All the noobs seen it go up so high. They're going to love that. What the hell? Hello, Wolfpack. Have you heard of Doji Coil? Try and decide to get in. The chart looks good. Then I have to decide when to get out. I never heard of that. Doji Coil? Too many cryptos, man. My bad. Mic went out. You guys hear me? Elizabeth, thank you. $5. I appreciate it. Thank you for supporting the channel. Much appreciated. Can you explain the Wanswap liquidity problem? Yeah, so basically, like, some pairs don't have great liquidity. Like EOS wasn't great liquidity. Like you try to sell a significant amount and they'll get some slippage. Like certain pairs, like Wasp and stuff, the one like I'm mainly in, it's fine, right? But like they've been trying to incentivize people to put their liquidity on like mining stuff by like boosting Wasp rewards at certain places. I believe that they're going to apply rewards on all pairs to incentivize more equal distribution of the liquidity. But it just go on Wanswap and try and type in like, put in like a coin, right? For the first section at the bottom, put in USDC or USDC and then type in random amounts and see how much slippage, percentage slippage you experience. You'll see what I'm talking about, right? So like if you're in WASP, that's what I'm mainly in. There's a lot of liquidity in there for WASP. I'm not tripping, but I just want to make you aware of that. Just be aware of that. But I also talked to the team today. They know about it. They're actively working to try to mitigate that. But just FYI. Just search moon cycles and trading view indicators. Okay, I will. Thanks, man. Moon phase, free indicator, MP. I'll check it out. Interesting. What coins are you playing on holding through the bear market, and which ones are you playing on selling? Hey, Chuck B. You know me. Nothing suggests that it holds any type of value besides Bitcoin, and even Bitcoin drops a lot. You know, so like if anything, I'm going to hold 10 to 20% of my my crypto value or my value at the end of the bull market? In Bitcoin, because it withstands the drops, not completely, but better than altcoins. No kind of altcoin has shown me the ability to stay strong in a bear market. None of them. None of them. Not even Ethereum. Okay? None of them. And I'm telling you this looking at the Bitcoin dominance chart. This isn't my opinion. This is exactly what I see on the chart. Look, this is the beginning of the bear market. Over the 574 days, Bitcoin dominance was rising. It rose about 96%, meaning most of the money in altcoins got sucked into freaking stable coins or Bitcoin. Bitcoin's dominance was rising. It rose a lot. Okay? Then we go to the Bitcoin chart. In that time, even though Bitcoin dominance was rising, Bitcoin was still getting smacked like a mother sucker, man. Look at that. It still went down for about a year plus. Even though its dominance was rising, it still dropped 84, 85%. You look at total 2, the market cap in altcoins, this is all the money wrapped up in altcoins. During the bear market, it went down like 92%. Some alts going down 95 to 98%. So if I want to hold any kind of crypto through a bear market, I might as well hold the one that only drops 85%, but that's not even that great. That's why I'm holding a small portion, because history has shown me that Bitcoin still drops, but it holds up better than altcoins. So I will be in the digital gold at that time and stables. And then I'll diversify my purchasing power into other assets, because I'm still pretty scared about the inflation risk. Right? Like, even because you sell into stable coins, still got to diversify. Your job ain't done. You're not done. Then you got to worry about the U.S. government hyperinflating your shit away. Hey, it's hard out here trying to get rich, huh? Hey, these are the problems, man. More money, more problems. 18 people, what's up? Have you ever heard of Sologenic? No, I haven't. Flare coming end of September. Tight. I want to stake my Theta for T-Fuel and wallet, but I feel nervous. Well, I feel nervous sometimes too doing shit. Just make sure to do your research, check it out. And if it doesn't gel with you, you don't feel like it, then you don't do it. But at a certain point, everything in crypto is a risk. Got over 400 XRP, but it's based on how much you hold. I threw a few at BNB at it, but still, this seems legit. What's the incentive? Why are they trying to give you XRP though? Who is it? Who's like the founder? Is it decentralized? Like, what's up with it? Jay Paid, what's good? What up, Dub? Greetings from South Africa. Hey, once again, ZA. I've never heard you speak about mana, or maybe I missed it. Your thoughts? Yeah, I spoke about mana before. I like metaverses. I have spoke about it before. But basically, man, like, people are going to find out over the next coming years that metaverses are ideal for advertisement. It's an advertisement machine. It's an advertisement monolith. Every single Decentraland, Sandbox, Somnium Cubes, like Somnium Space. Look, I live in LA. We got the Hollywood Boulevard. We got all this shit, right? Sunset Boulevard. The Walk of Fame with all the stars and shit. People go there. They're tourist attractions. There's billboards. There's big old buildings with like ads on them, and people pay prime prices to put their advertisements on it because a lot of people can see it. But it's only the people who took the trek to that physical location or participating in that geographic location that can see it. Now with the lockdowns and all that, and people going online and virtual reality, AR, it's going to become more and more of a thing. People are meeting up. People are playing games. The gaming industry was exploding. Esports is just getting bigger and bigger every year. People are going to start trying to interact with each other in new ways in virtual reality. And once they start flooding into these ecosystems like Mana, like Sandbox, all that stuff, don't you think the people who own the land in there, they're commanding prime prices for advertisements? I look at it as an advertisement cash flow kind of place. Because it's not just the people in LA that can walk past your billboard. It's everyone online, which is pretty much everyone in the world or worlds But am I getting weird with that? Maybe. What do you think? 18 people, what's up? Have you gotten involved with SKL or nah? No, I haven't. No, I haven't. I'm just really focusing on getting that Bitcoin cash long, man. That's what I want. Got any parcels down there in Decentraland? No, I don't. But I'm looking for the bear market. I'd be looking for that. You know, I was a little late to Decentraland. A little late. And like my YouTube channel wasn't like that big at the time. So I was like, what the hell would I do there? You know, but then it started getting a little bigger. I was like, oh, that'd be cool. But at that time it took off. So it's cool. I think it will come down hopefully 95%. I'm hoping for it. I'm a wolf. Has nothing to do with XRP other than dev team literally buys XRP. I think they started the pump and then they distribute it to holders who diamond handed it for 3 days. Dude, I don't know. Love XRP. Hey, at least you can admit that. That's tight. Zookeeper price going to pop off. Can't wait for a new Zarina with the entire Wanchain ecosystem developments. Hyped AF. Hopefully, man, it's tiny. It's 4 million. In crypto, a 10 million project is considered tiny. This is a 4 million project. It was 3 million when I sent out that video. All right, guys. It's been about an hour 46. I think I'm gonna call it quits, but it's been fun. Thanks for joining me today. Hey, sorry about yesterday. I usually do these on Wednesdays, 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, but I had internet issues. Thankfully, the good people at Spectrum able to fix it today. But it's been fun, guys. I do another live stream on Sundays at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. That's crypto and coffee. We do similar stuff. Shoot the shit. Talk about macro charts. Talk to you guys. Interface with you guys. Look at some coins. It is what it is. Yeah. I told you what I think is going to happen. Even though we might get some volatility, we gained a lot on Bitcoin. It might give some back. It's not the end of the world. I got dry cash. I'm dry powder. I'm trying to deploy in a altcoin long leverage coin. I don't do margin positions at all. I just believe in the direction. I'm going to stick to my guns and invest in that direction. But hey, it's been fun, guys. Till next time, DubDigital. Talk to you later. Peace.